Hey, it's me, Mario! Just kidding. I made a Mario mustache and a Mario hat for the Blender 52 challenge. You can download the files up on my website, ptt.live, for free. And it was pretty tricky to make. I learned a lot about booleans and just what to do and what not to do with booleans. Also how to use the solidify modifier so you can really make the hat as thin or as thick as you need it, which I think can be really helpful when 3D printing different types of hats or wearables or just lots of things really. I 3D printed the hat like this, like upside down with just a little bit of support material down in the bottom. So that's what I would recommend. And I 3D printed the mustache just like that, pretty easy, with just a little bit of support material on the nose clippers. And I'm really proud of these nose clippers here. So if any designers out there want to join Blender 52, it's just a challenge that they give you like a weekly prompt for an idea, but I'll put a picture up right here so you can look at it, or you can go to my blog and check that out. I really recommend anyone doing it if you're a designer, just to generate new ideas. You can do it in Blender, you can do it in any software you want. I don't care, just as long as you create is all I really care about. I got some other designs that are going to be coming out this week or next week hopefully, so keep an eye out for that. So make sure you subscribe, and yeah, go get you a Mario mustache and a hat.